In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save diagram in Draw.io. If you're working inside the Draw.io diagram editor and want to keep a copy of your work, there are two simple ways to do it depending on what you need. One option is to export your diagram as a specific file type, and the other is to quickly save your current progress while you're still editing. Let's start with exporting your diagram. Inside the editor, go to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click File. From the drop-down menu, move your cursor over Export As. This will open another menu where you can choose the file format you want to save your diagram in. Pick the file type that works best for your needs. After you select a format, a dialog box will appear. This is where you can configure the export settings before saving. Depending on the file type you chose, you may see options such as zoom, size, transparency, background, and other formatting controls. These settings help you customize how the final exported diagram will look, so take a moment to review them carefully. For example, you may want a transparent background for presentations or a larger size for better image quality. Once you've adjusted the settings the way you want, continue to the next dialog box. There you'll be able to edit the file name and choose the location where you want to save it. After that, click Save to finish exporting your diagram. If instead you just want to save the current version of your work without exporting it to another format, there's a faster method. Simply press Ctrl and S on your keyboard. When you do this, a small loader will appear, showing that the file is saving. Wait until the saving message disappears. Once it's gone, your current diagram version has been saved successfully. This quick save option is especially useful while you're actively making changes, since it helps you avoid losing progress. A good habit is to save regularly as you work, especially before closing the tab or switching to another task. That's all there is to it. Whether you want to export your diagram for sharing or just save your ongoing work, Draw.io makes the process straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.